How you doing? Hi, little guys. Well, guys, I'm back. It is springtime, or just about springtime today. It is about 70 degrees, which means it's time to take a little cruise. Right now I'm at Warder Park, Warder Nature Preserve, whatever, in Springfield Township, Ohio. Are those fish? They look to be fish. Oh, they are. Big old fish. I'm going to head here, and I'm going to head on down to Winton Woods and ride that trail, and then stop on the way home and grab a beverage, a nice cold beverage. So join me as I just kind of cruise around and enjoy the day, enjoy being on my e-bike. There was a school there last year. Guess where we are? And I cross back over so that I can get right onto this main path around the big lake here. All right, we made it. Let's go cruise around the path and see what we can find. The water level is definitely up. It's really high. Usually you see the top of the garbage can down there. That's the top of the benches right over there. The water is high. Ooh, ooh. Blue heron. I love it. Are you on the hunt? Oh, I don't know if you can see, but he's got a fish in his mouth. As soon as I turned the camera off, he turned the other way and grabbed it. Come on, how cool is that? Take a little drink. Yeah, wash that little fish down. Bad day to be a fish. I tell you, it's nice to get back on the bike, and I want to spend as much time on this thing as possible this year. I really didn't like this past winter. It was way too long. You didn't hear from me because I was just, like, at first it was all right, but then it just got to be way too much. This is a cool little spot to come. I don't know, it's, I guess, an old path that they don't really maintain anymore. And it looks like it's flooded down here, so we're not going to be going too far. I guess it's time to turn around because I'm not going through that. Alright, we've been going for about 11 miles now. Went over the other side. I was hoping that with all this high water that they'd have one of the roads shut down back there and I could finally go back and see it. I've never seen it, and there, it's not that high. So we're gonna go and take one more loop around this lake. We're gonna go the opposite way that we first did. Then we're gonna head on and get us a little beverage. Alright, we've done that. Done the Winton Woods path. I did the path backwards or the other way, whatever. Now we're gonna go to the local watering hole. Cheers. Beverage enjoyed. And now we are on our way back home. With that, you guys, have a great day. Thank you so much for watching and following along. I'll see you guys in the next one.